What's going on? We're going to be doing another review today, and we'll be doing the Ti-Lite by Cold Steel. Aluminum handle, 6-inch. You'll find all the details in my description. Now, I wanted a folding knife that could take a beating. Cold Steel is known for taking a beating. They have a video out there of a bunch of fold knives like these, and they throw it at a wooden wall a lot of times, and they show you how much they can take. That sells it for me right there, because I like to throw knives. I do like whipping knives out, drawing attention at work. This one, you can flip it open numerous amount of ways. I actually pulled this out of someone at work. It's like, oh, check out my knife. And they ended up buying one. Just right then and there, that was it. They were sold. So it's got a lot of bonus points for that. Let's do some throwing. Wanted a fold knife that can take a beating. This one will do it for me. So, if you're like me and you like to pull your knife out a lot, you're gonna need to tighten those screws. I've lost one. You can tell by the wiggle of the handle. So have something to tighten if you like me and pull your knife out a lot. All right, another part of the review is when you have a knife, you got to open up some mail. So is this a good knife to use when opening up your mail? Wow. Already, because of that little sharp tip, you know, gets right in there. Boom. And you got your mail. Not bad. Let's try that again. See if the Ti-Lite made by Cold Steel is good for opening up your mail. Well, first, let's do it the right way.
Hi.
Mailman comes. Oh, thank you, sir. Let me just open that up. I don't usually open up mail, but that was a lot quicker than opening up my mail online. Look at that, boom, got my mail. Exactly what you want in a review. That is beautiful. Still like new. Can you hear that? My backyard has artillery in it. And knife throwing. So that's the Ti-Lite. During my review, I took off the belt clip. I was wanting to throw no spins, and that was really getting in the way. Now, not so much. Sai, stay there. So I hope you enjoyed my review of the Ti-Lite by Cold Steel. I do recommend this one. There's a lot of folding knives that are good and are probably better than this one. But if you like throwing, you know, you make a few adjustments. Don't worry about the belt buckle when you miss. You know, keep tightening the screws, and you should have a good time with this. You know, do I expect this to last forever if I throw it forever? No, but you know, I'm gonna have some fun with it, and the price isn't too much over $100. So, you know, I like it. No spin, full spin. Doesn't have a sharp edge here. Half spin, military grip, and that's style points. So remember that with when you purchase a knife. All right, take care.